Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do soft body physics in Blender. So what you want to do is add in a cube and then press G and then Z to move it up. And then what you want to do is click Shift A to then add in a plane, press S to scale it up. Then you want to select the cube again. Then you want to press Tab to go into edit mode. And then just right click and click subdivide a couple of times. Once you've done that, you can then click Tab to go out of edit mode. Then go to the Physics tab, add in Soft Body, and then unselect Goal. And then open up Edges. And then under there, go to Stiffness, and then select that. Then go to Bending and change it to 0.4. That's essentially how much it will bend on impact or deform. Then above that, you want to change this to 12. And essentially it will be how much it will deform once it's rested on the surface. And if you want, you can mess around with those settings, but these are the settings I'm going to keep it at. So then what you want to do is select the plane and then add collision, then go back to the cube, and then go under Hake. And then over here is where you can choose the starting of your simulation and the ending of your simulation. And if you like how it is, where it's at, then you can just click Bake and then click Play. And then also make sure to shade smooth your cube. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.